Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this ScreenPal guide for 2026, I'll show you how to share videos from ScreenPal. Whether you've created a tutorial, presentation, online course, screen recording, webcam video, or YouTube content, ScreenPal provides several ways to share your videos with viewers, clients, students, or team members. So let's get started. First, sign in to your ScreenPal account and open the video you want to share. Make sure your project has been fully saved and exported if necessary. Before sharing, review the final version of your video one last time. Check the video quality, audio, captions, transitions, and any other important elements to ensure everything is working correctly. Next, locate the Share, Publish, or Export section within ScreenPal. Depending on your account type and available features, you'll see multiple sharing options. One common option is generating a shareable link. Select the sharing option and create a video link that you can send to viewers through email, messaging apps, websites, or social media platforms. And that's how to share videos from ScreenPal. By using shareable links, downloads, publishing options, and privacy settings, you can easily distribute your videos to audiences anywhere in the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.